Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to discuss about 2016 Set A IEO question paper for class 6 students. First topic is word and structure knowledge. For questions 1 to 22, choose the correct word or phrase to complete each sentence. Example, I am so exhausted with all the running today. I have absolutely no energy left. Exhausted means very tired. 1. Her car broke dash again. She should buy a new one. Up, down, in, off. The answer is B. Down. Her car broke down again. She should buy a new one. 2. It is raining hard. I wish I dash an umbrella. Have, has, had, hadn't. The answer is C. Had. It is raining hard. I wish I had an umbrella. 3. Every year we like to do dash our house before Christmas with in, well, for, over. The answer is D. Over. Every year we like to do over our house before Christmas. 4. School education dash a drastic change. Need, needs, is needed, needing. The answer is B. Needs. School education needs a drastic change. 5. I couldn't understand the dash of his speech. Word, content, sentence, term. The answer is B. Content. I couldn't understand the content of his speech. 6. I was walking down the street dash. I saw a car crash. While, when, that, there. The answer is B. When. I was walking down the street when I saw a car crash. 7. Tara is always running late and Dash has time for breakfast. Usually, often, always, never. The answer is D. Never. Tara is always running late and never has time for breakfast. 8. I dash to Srinagar this weekend. I have got my flight tickets and hotel reservation. I am traveling, travel, going to travel, would traveling. The answer is A. I am traveling. I am traveling to Srinagar this weekend. I have got my flight tickets and hotel reservation. 9. Sid dash keeping well. Please take him to the school nurse. Hadn't had, haven't been, hasn't had. The answer is C. Hasn't been. Sid hasn't been keeping well. Please take him to the school nurse. 10. If I dance to the gym today, I will get you an application form. Go, went, would go, going. The answer is A. Go. If I go to the gym today, I will get you an application form. 10. She will be in dash 10 a.m. She is always a few minutes early. Off, on, at, by. The answer is D. By. She will be in by 10 a.m. She is always a few minutes early. 12. A rider can control his horse by pulling at its chains, ropes, reins, hair. The answer is C. Reins. 13. Iman dash happy if you dash. Will be, come, is, came, is, will come, would be, or coming. The answer is A. Will be, come. Iman will be happy if you come. 14. Dash, there is a scorpion under the bench. Look out, look over, look after, look for. The answer is A. Look out. Look out, there is a scorpion under the bench. 15. I like traveling by air dash the weather is bad. Why? Because, unless, when. The answer is C. Unless. I like traveling by air unless the weather is bad. 16. Sam has ordered a lot of food. There is more than dash for all of us. To spare much, enough, little. The answer is C. Enough. Sam has ordered a lot of food. There is more than enough for all of us. 17. It is raining dash today. The monsoon has set in. Heavy, hardly, heavily, toughly. The answer is C. Heavily. It is raining heavily today. The monsoon has set in. 18. Tina is dash in astronomy. She is always reading about planets and stars. Thinking, interested, need, taking. The answer is B. Interested. Tina is interested in astronomy. She is always reading about planets and stars. 19. Sonu dashed Dennis off breaking his new bike. Scolded, accused, blamed, shouted. The answer is B. Accused. Sonu accused Dennis of breaking his new bike. 20. The dolphin dashed when they dashed it. Dances, fed, danced, feed, dance, feed, dances, feed. The answer is D. Dances, feed. The dolphin dances when they feed it. 21. That was the best pizza I have ever dashed. Ate, had, eat, saw. The answer is B. Had. That was the best pizza I have ever had. 22. Man is dash social animal. A and the no article. The answer is A. Man is a social animal. Next topic is reading. For questions 23 to 28, read the passage and answer the questions that follow. First, you read the given paragraph carefully, then you will answer the questions. Example, when was Amelia born? 1897. 23. Choose the best title for the passage. Amelia Earhart, You Can Fly a Plane. Amelia Earhart, Break Records. Amelia Earhart, Men and Women Are Equal. Amelia Earhart, the first woman pilot. The answer is D. Amelia Earhart, the first woman pilot. 24. What inspired Amelia to take flying lessons? She bought her own plane. She went to see a flight show. She saw a plane for the first time. She joined the army during WWI. The answer is given here. In 1920, she went to see a stunt flying exhibition. A thrilled Amelia said, I believe that little red airplane said something to me as it swished by. In December 1920, she sat in a plane for the first time and took to flying like a duck to water. So the answer is B. She went to see a flight show. 25. A White House honor was given to her because she was the first woman to learn to fly a plane like men did, fly across the Atlantic, arrive in Wales by plane. The answer is given here. She had become the first woman pilot to fly successfully across the Atlantic. On her return, she was welcomed back with a reception at the White House by President Coolidge. So the answer is C. Fly across the Atlantic. 26. What was different about Earhart's achievement in 1932? She flew across the Atlantic again. She won 2 awards after her feat. she returned to the United States. She was the first woman to fly solo. The answer is given here. When she flew solo in 1932, she got a gold medal from the National Geographic Society and the Distinguished Flying Cross from her country's president. So the answer is D. She was the first woman to fly solo. 27. What world record did Amelia set out to achieve in 1936? To cross the Pacific Ocean, to prove that women are strong, to fly alone across the world, to travel to many countries. The answer is given here. After almost a year's planning, in 1937, she took off on a flying journey across the world. So the answer is C, to fly alone across the world. 28. What can we learn from Amelia's life? Girls who are explorers can become pilots. Awards will come if you fly solo. Girls should be tomboyish. Men and women have equal intelligence. The answer is given here. Until then, people thought that only men could do jobs that needed people to be intelligent and organized, stay calm and strong under pressure, and work efficiently. Amelia proved that women can do so too. So the answer is D. Men and women have equal intelligence. For questions 29 to 35, read the email and fill in the blanks with correct options. Hi Tanya, guess what? I have won the inter-school debate example. Example, the answer is competition. Guess what? I have won the inter-school debate competition which was dash last week. 29. The options are done, held, given, made. The answer is B, held. Which was held last week. I bagged the first prize. The DAS is diamond membership to the British Council Library for 12 months as well as 2 seats for the Spoken Skills Weekend workshops. 30. The options are gift, present, prize, treasure. The answer is C, prize. The prize is diamond membership to the British Council Library for 12 months as well as 2 seats for the Spoken Skills Weekend workshops. The first workshop is this weekend dash the British Council from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. 31. The options are at, on, near, friend. The answer is A, at. The first workshop is this weekend at the British Council from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. The trainer is from England and I have here she is world famous. I am going along to the workshop, so if you dash you can join me. 32. The options are wants, wanted or wanting, want. The answer is D, want. I am going alone to the workshop, so if you want, you can join me. After the workshop, we dash visit the library. 33. The options are would, have had, can be, probably. The answer is A, would. After the workshop, we would visit the library as it does many books, movies as well as music CDs. 34. The options are hold, has, display, show. The answer is B, has. After the workshop, we would visit the library as it has many books, movies as well as music CDs. It will be great task and I am sure we can learn a lot. 35. The options are enjoy, cheer, joy, fun. The answer is D, fun. It will be great fun and I'm sure we can learn a lot. So if you want to come along, please let me know by tomorrow. Cheers, Rohan. I show the paragraph once again. Next topic is spoken and written expression. For questions 36 to 43, choose the best option to complete each conversation. Example, Monica, I want to play tennis now and study for the test later. Mom, well, it's only 5 pages, a piece of cake, study first. Here, piece of cake means very simple work. 36. Mr. Shah, when our neighbors saw his broken window, he just went dash. He started shouting at the children playing nearby. Bananas, apples, pears, peaches. The answer is A. Bananas. Bananas means to become very angry. 37. Nina. How was the science test, Liza? Easy. I knew all the answers like dash. The back of my hand. It was yesterday. There is no tomorrow. It's now or never. The answer is A. The back of my hand. Back of my hand means know very well or know everything. 38. Simi. Lisa is always dash. She has such a holier than thou attitude. Holier than thou means self satisfied. Looking down on others, annoying others, asking questions, preaching good things. The answer is A. Looking down on others. Looking down on others means think that you are better than others. 39. Jeet. My grandmother says that I am the dash of her eye. She adores me. Apple, ball, sugar, candy. The answer is A. Apple. Apple of her eye means very important to her. 40. Salim. He is really ambitious. He wants to reach for the dash. Ambitious means having strong desire. Stars, sun, clouds, roof. The answer is A. Stars. He is really ambitious. He wants to reach for the stars. Reach for the stars means have high aims. 41. Tom. My sisters are off to the new mall. They say they are going to shop till they dash. Dunk, die, drop, drown. The answer is C. Drop. 42. Eyewitness. The thief dashed into thin air. He was never seen again. Evaporated, ran forward, vanished, got lost. The answer is C. Vanished. 43. Teacher. Team, I need 20 actors for this school play, but there are only 6 of you. Each of you has to dash. Team, we are happy to, ma'am. Wear many hats, put on many shoes, owe many caps, try on many coats. The answer is A. Wear many hats. Wear many hats means to have several roles. For questions 44 and 45, choose the most appropriate option to replace the underlined phrase. 44. I got so scared when Tina had a blackout. I immediately called the ambulance. Tina suddenly fainted. Tina had a power cut. Tina switched off the lights. Tina ran out of the black color. The answer is A. Tina suddenly fainted. 45. Ria was heartbroken when her mother gave away her kittens. Ria had a heart attack. Ria was very sad. Ria had a heartache. Ria broke away. The answer is B. Ria was very sad. Next topic is Achiever section. For questions 46 and 47, choose the correct word to complete each sentence. 46. Sheena was dashed by the story she read and till the end she had no idea of who the culprit was. Enlightened, perplexed, excited, shocked. The answer is B. Perplexed. Perplexed means confused. 47. The gang leader and his dash were convicted. Colleagues, disciples, students, accomplices. The answer is D. Accomplishes. 48. Choose the correct option. Someone who kills or shoots animals on private land without permission. The options are trespasser, outlaw, poacher, burglar. The answer is C. Poacher. 49. Choose the correct spelling. You read the given options carefully and try to find out the answer. The answer is B. It means eager for knowledge or intellectually curious. 50. Choose the best option to complete the conversation. Rohan, did you enjoy last night's party? Sia, absolutely we does. Thought it was high time. Were behind the times. Had a whale of time. Got a hell of a time. The answer is C. Had a whale of a time. That means enjoy very much. So my dear students, today we have completed 2016 Set A IEO question paper for class 6 students. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.